of operations is very important. You're going to see it year after year after year after year, all the way through high school math. So it's very important that you get a good understanding of order of operations now. So because here, even in a couple months, you're going to be expected to just know it, and then they're teaching you new things on top of that. So order of operations is when we have multiple processes and stuff in an equation, we have to solve them in a certain order. Okay, I've written on the board PEMDAS. Okay, that's just some people just say it that way to help them understand, to remember the order. Some people say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That also helps. However, just remember the order. Okay, the P stands for parentheses. Okay, so in a problem, this comes first. If you have parentheses, you do whatever is in parentheses first. Okay, the E stands for exponent. Okay, the exponent's a little too. If you have any exponents, then you would do them next. Then multiplication and division, they're actually equal. Multiplication doesn't have to come before division. So if you have both multiplication and division in a problem, just work from left to right. And then the same thing with addition and subtraction. They're equal, so if you have both of them, just work from left to right. But otherwise, if you have addition and multiplication, what's going to come first? The multiplication. You do multiplication first before then you go and add. All right, so let's practice this. Let's do 24 plus 6 times 2. Okay, so got multiple processes, got addition, got multiplication. So what do I do first? Well, which comes first going this way? The multiplication. Okay, so the multiplication is 6 times 2, so I have to do that first. So I usually rewrite the problem, 24 plus now 6 times 2, it's 12. Okay, and then 36 is my answer. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so now we've got addition, multiplication, and division. I don't know if you can see those dots. Division. Okay, so looking at this, what should we do first? Well, we know it's not the addition. The addition is way over there. Okay, here we have multiplication and division. Okay, so remember what I said, multiplication and division are equal. So you don't necessarily have to do multiplication before division because that's the way it's written in PEMDAS. It's just, I don't know, that's just the way. So we've got 4 times 2 divided by 4. So in this case, we just work left to right. So we are going to do the 4 times 2 first, okay? 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and divide by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So now our problem looks like 16 plus 2, and the answer is 18. Okay, let's do, put some parentheses in there. Okay, all right, so look at the problem, think about what am I going to do first? Okay, so look up here. Well, P is first. That's parentheses. Do I have parentheses in my equation? Yeah, I do. The 4 plus the 2. So I do whatever is in these parentheses first. 4 plus 2, that's 6. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my problem. Okay, so that's what it looks like now. Okay, now I have addition and multiplication. What should I do next? The multiplication. Okay, 3 times 6, that's 18. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. All right, now just addition. 6 plus 18 is 24. All right, so I'm hoping you have order of operations, you learn it, and you learn it well because you will need to know this. All right, good luck.